What's going on, guys? I'm Ryan and welcome back to another video. Welcome back to the channel. Hope you guys are doing absolutely fantastic. In this video, let's have a look at this beautiful Amazfit Neo, a retro lookalike smartwatch with smart modern features like heart rate monitor, sleep monitoring, for example, activity tracking, etc. Let's start by doing a quick unboxing and then we'll talk about the specs, we'll show you the app, and of course I'll show you the watch in detail. If you're not a subscriber to the channel, please consider subscribing. Thank you very much for your support. Alright guys, without any further ado, let's start with the unboxing. Okay, so this is the box that comes in. You can see the watch straight away there. And on the side you can see here heart rate monitor, sleep monitoring, always on display, 28 days of battery life, 5 ATM water resistant, and that's basically it. On the front we have the PAI and so much care. Alright guys, let's crack this open. Okay, so this is basically everything you get in the box. You get the Amazfit Neo, the charger, USB charger, and the user manual. That's it, nothing else. Okay, so let's have a look at the watch itself. Let's do a quick walk around. You can get the watch in 3 different colors. I picked the red. I do like the retro look-alike with the red. Yes, some black accents here and there. So the bezel there, the strap, little thing there. Talking about the strap, is a bit plasticky. I think the manufacturer calls TPU material, but it's not as soft, for example, as the GTS 2 Mini over there. This is a bit more smooth in my opinion. Looking at the back of the watch here, you can see the sensors and the charging port there. This watch supports 50-meter water resistance, which is quite good, and you can see here the physical buttons. I do like this a lot, and when you press it you get that beeping sound from the 80s, 90s. Quite nice. On the front of the watch you can see the Amazfit logo over there, the buttons up, down, select, back. If you press and hold the back button, it will turn on the back light, and while you're using the watch the light will stay on, but if you stop touching it the light will go off, like so. In terms of the strap, it doesn't have those quick release ones. I think you need to push it on the side to remove the strap or something like that, I'm not sure. Looking at the screen, guys, always on screen, it never goes off. Of course, like I show you the backlight, and you can see the functions here. So you get 3 different areas of the screen. You got the symbol of the information you're going to get, the information itself there on the top right, in this case the burn calories too. I just turn the watch on, and here we can see the date there and the time. On the left side here you get 3 little symbols like the alarm, do not disturb, and if the watch is paired with the phone or not. If it's not, you get a little symbol of the phone with an X. You can see here the select button, back, up and down. If you go through the menus you get the weather. Don't know why you don't get the max temp and the minimum temp there. Do not disturb off, on or smart. Let's leave it off for now. Got a stopwatch, world clock. I believe you can set this on the app. New York City -5 hours for the example there. You got the alarm that only can be set within the app, the PI results, heart rate monitoring, battery level, and step count. This is the distance you did in the day, 29 meters in my case, and back to the burn calories. Yeah guys, it does look good. I do like this style. It does give you that retro feeling 100%. It's not too big and it's very light in my opinion. For example, in comparison to this Beep Light, guys, here you can see the size difference. The GTR 47mm, it's quite bigger. And the latest are reviewed on the channel. I do like this watch a lot. The GTS2 Mini. Yeah guys, 4 different styles, 4 different watches from the same brand. Not too bad. Let's have a look at the app itself. The app you need to download is that Zap app, and as you can see you got the Amazfit Neo there, where you can tweak the app for your taste, incoming call on or off, watch alarm. Like I said, it only can be set within the app. Let's set it on 7 AM and you will see the small alarm there on the left side of the screen. You got the different app alerts that you can turn on or off. Let's leave everything on for now. Idle alert, it will give you an alert if you sat for too long. Find watch, the watch will beep and the light will turn on. So we can get the information of the weather now. Sunny, minimum 9 degrees, max 20 degrees Celsius. We get this now because it's paired with the app. You got band location, there's a lot of stuff. I'm not going to cover everything within this video. Display settings, it's where you can remove, for example, if you don't want the pie on, you can hide it or you can put it back on, and you can select the order of the menus as well. World clock is that small clock I showed you before. Sound settings, you can turn the beeping off or on for different alerts. You can get an hourly chime like the old watches. This is quite nice. Weather settings, spare restrictions, you can check for updates and do your firmware update as well. Looking back at home, it will give you a resume, a report of the day, like the sleep, the pie, sleep score, etc, etc. To start an activity you need to use the app, you can't do it directly on the watch. In terms of notifications, let's have a look. If someone rings you, what you get on the watch itself. As you can see, it starts beeping and it will show the name of the caller. In terms of SMS or WhatsApp, let's test it. It doesn't work, guys, for the SMS as like any other Amazfit watch. And the WhatsApp itself, let's have a look. Yeah, you'll get one for the WhatsApp. I got it there on my phone as well. But SMS doesn't work, WhatsApp, it does work. If you get an email as well, and a notification you get on the phone, you get it like that, it will show a +1 there. To charge the watch, you just need a power source, like a power bank. Just place the watch there and plug the USB into some source of power. And the watch will start charging like so. You'll get the amount of charge there. It will take 2 hours to fully charge the watch, and in terms of battery, I haven't tested this for 28 days, but according to the manufacturer it should last that long, 28 days with normal use. Another thing that was mentioned is if you raise your wrist, the light on the watch will come on like so. Okay guys, so we are outside here. It's very bright, and as you can tell, you can see the display very clear. No issues here whatsoever. Nice. So 736, let's go. So we ended up with 872 steps. I'm gonna do my math and I'm gonna put on the screen the amount of steps and the amount of steps that the watch counts. Okay guys, so in terms of beats per minute, let's do a test here. Okay, I count around 70
Yeah, it's correct, more or less. Of course, you shouldn't use any of these watches as a medical device. This is just to give an idea. If you have a heart condition or something similar, please don't use any of this for medical purposes.
Yeah guys, so let's wrap this video. Overall, I do like this Amazfit Neo a lot. If you're looking for a retro lookalike smartwatch with some nice features, this might be for you. I'm gonna leave a link down below so you guys can check it out, the current price. And yeah, let me know if you want me to try anything else in particular. Yeah guys, if you enjoyed the video, click the like button and please don't forget to subscribe to the channel. Thank you very much for your support. Like always guys, thank you very much for watching and hope I can see you all in the next one.